Me and Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses, and hugs. No, I never.
Hey guys, I'm Tamia and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, it's nice to meet you. Today, I'm gonna do the OG of YouTube things, and that is what's in my bag. So what's in my bag, I'm doing the gym version. So the bag I have is from Gymshark, and just like a pink little duffel bag. I wanted the mini one, but I feel like that was too small for me, so I have that. And then I have my little Minnie Mouse here. She is adorable. I am a Disney girl through and through, so we have that on the side. But let me show you when I open my bag what it has. So it has my AirPod Maxes. I really love these down. I do to wash the earmuffs, but I love these. So I have my AirPod Maxes that I listen to when I'm working out, and then feel like I need another pair for when I'm running, because these are really heavy when you're running. Number one essential, AirPod Maxes, because if I don't have any headphones, feel like I can't go to the gym. So we have AirPod Maxes. Then I have this little pouch. It just has all my essentials that I feel like I need. Any accidents, anything that I feel like I need to react. So first one is a Tamia. Then we have some lotion. I kind of stole this from my mom. But we have the Vanilla Romance from Bath & Body Works, like hand cream. Then we have two deodorants. One I know will last. One I haven't really tried her to know if it lasts. So we have both. So we have Native Lavender and Rose. Then we have Native. Then we have Dove. This is the powder. So yeah. Then we have a toothbrush. And I just need to put some toothpaste in here and some mouthwash. So we have that. Then we have some perfume. I have the Pink in Paradise from Bath & Body Works perfume. Smells really good. Love that. Then we have some, is that dark in there? We have some, what are these called? I don't remember what these called. We have this, and you put this on your leg while you're squatting. Really good. Then we have my, not leg rest, and Fit Girl. We have from Fit Girl, and you put this on so you can either squat or for your glutes on that glute machine. I don't know what it's called. I don't remember. I have a water bottle at Deer Park just in case I don't forget my water bottle. I usually bring my Stanley cup, or I bring just for also I have 3 more of these actually. See, this one's from Tone, and it's called It's for Your Butt. This one is just a little thicker. I don't like the thin ones better. Then I have my gloves that are mid fast right now. I have my gloves for when I am on the bench press or squat Smith machine. So I like that right there. Definitely a different color, but I love these. Down, I got them from Target. Then we have a waist trimmer. You just wrap it around your stomach and you sweat a lot more. Really good. Then I have, oh, here's my other glove. Found it. Then I have this towel that I have for when I'm sweating, and it's really nice. You can put water on it and then put it around you. So good. Then I have this thing. I got it when I went to Disney World one year, and I just put it in here. Got it from Amazon. It was like in a 4-pack. So yeah. Then I have another leg band that you put on your leg while you can do donkey hits like that. Yeah. I think these are called elastic bands, but these are not elastic, so I don't know if they're really called that. Then we have socks I got from EHP lab. I did my preaching stuff like that. Or I put this in here, I think. Then I have my hand sanitizer because the germs are nasty and so many people touch the gym equipment. So we have hand sanitizer. Then I don't really take this to the gym, but take the other one. It's a Ghostbuster one that I have. It's a blender bottle, and there's usually a little metal little ball thing, and you just put all your stuff and you shake it and you drink it. So yeah, and then I have a headband. This is helps for sweating headband, and then I have some wet ones. I got another pad. Let me know what's in your gym bag if you have a gym bag. But that's what's all in my gym bag. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe down below. Bye guys!